Alright guys, we're live. You probably got one of these in the mail. You can see it already picked it up, but if you just go to your photos here, or camera, try to take a picture, it'll open it up in Chrome. It's going to pull up our website. It says welcome to our spring cleanout event. This is the event we're having. If you're on our Facebook page, you can check it out there. Cool thing is when you click like the Camo Crew, it'll go directly to them. It'll show you what they will remove from your house. So that's the stuff you can bring. I thought that's pretty cool. Going back here, you can go to the Milwaukee Homeless Veterans as well. Here's all the new items that they'll take. These are the things you're going to bring to donate so you can drop off your junk. Some new and gently used items in there. Some cleaning supplies that you can bring that they can use, as well as some personal items. And this is interactive right off that awesome postcard we sent out that I showed you in the beginning. Going back to the Camo Crew here, just make sure that you stick to these items, and you definitely have to bring them here. You can also call them. I'm going to go back to our spring cleanout event page here. We want to make sure that you join us Saturday, April 17th from 10 to noon. If you want to find out more information, you can reach out below or just give me a phone call. And here's our sponsors, Focus Title and Parkside Lending. We definitely hope to see you there. And sorry for scrolling so fast, but this is part of our Give Where You Live initiatives.